Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to open my Gmail account in mobile apps. So the first, you can click on Gmail apps. I had signed into my Gmail account, but I want to sign into another Gmail account that I have. So the next step is click on the profile picture here. Then after that, you can click add another account. Then you can click Google. You also can add your Yahoo account or Outlook or Hotmail account here, or other email here. But today I will add my another Google account. You just simply add your email here, then click next, and after that you can enter your password here. Then don't forget to click next, and your email will automatically log in like this. So this is how to open my Gmail account on a mobile apps. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.